Hello, welcome all. Today we will discuss first chapter of class 9 economics, that is the story of village Palampur. Palampur is a hypothetical village, and by studying it we will understand the basic concepts relating to production. First of all, let's take a look on some attributes of village Palampur. Palampur is a hypothetical village. Farming is the main activity in this village, whereas some other activities such as small scale manufacturing, dairy, transportation are also carried out. It is well connected to neighbor village. Also, this village has about 450 families belonging to several different castes. The upper castes families own the majority of land in the village. The Dalits comprise one third of the population and live in one corner of the village. Palampur has two primary schools and one high school, and also this village has a primary health center run by the government. The above characteristic shows that Palampur is well-developed village. Organization of production. The production activities aim to produce goods and services. For production, there are four main requirements, that are land, labor, physical capital and human capital. Let's discuss all one by one. First factor, that is land. In every kind of production, we have to use land. Therefore, land is a basic factor of production. Like in industries, it helps to provide raw material. In agriculture, land is considered as a main factor of production as crops are produced on land. So, land is one of the most important factors we want in the production process. Second one is labor. Labor means people who will do the work. Some activities need mental efficiency, whereas other required physical effectiveness. It totally depends on the work nature. So according to the work nature, we required labor for the production process. Next one is physical capital. Capital is the factor of production that are used to create goods or services and are not themselves in the process. So capital is divided into two parts, that are fixed and working capital. So fixed capital are like tools, machine, building, land, etc. And working capital is like money, raw material. Now the human capital. In an enterprise, we need to put together all three production factors, that are land, labor and capital, and produce an output to sell it in the market. It is done by the human capital. That's why we need the human capital to enhance the production capacity. So all these four factors are most important in the production process. We need all these factors. Farming in Palampur. Now we will discuss the farming process in Palampur. Now we will discuss all these points one by one. First one is land is fixed. As we all know that land is a fixed capital and it is fixed. We cannot enhance or we cannot multiply our land as our demand is increasing. Is there a way one can grow more than the same land? One way of increasing production from the same land is by multiple cropping. Then the other way is to use modern farming methods. Next is, will the land sustain? As land being a natural resource, so it is necessary to be careful in its use. The continuous misuse of groundwater and excess use of fertilizer is leading towards critical situation. Once destroyed, it is very difficult to restore them. We must take care of the environment to ensure future development of agriculture. More use of groundwater or excessive use of fertilizer, or we can say excessive use of land or soil, leads to the critical situation. So we have to take care of our land to future. How is land distributed between the farmers of Palampur? Let us see. In Palampur, about 1/3, that is 150 families, have no land for cultivation. Means 150 families have no land their own, so they are doing the work in others' farms. Of the remaining families who own land, 240 families cultivate small plots of land less than 2 hectares in size. Next, there are 60 families of medium and large farmers who cultivate more than 2 hectares of land. So in this, we understood that in Palampur there are three main distribution or three main categories of farmers. One is who don't have their own land, then who have land but of very small size, and last one is the medium and the large farmers who have land. Like in this picture, we can see these all are big land or big farms which are cultivated by only one farmer, and whereas this part of land is cultivated by many farmers. So the distribution of farmers' land is very uneven. Who will provide the labor? Farming requires a great deal of hard work. Small farmers along with their families cultivate their own field, thus they provide the labor required for farming themselves. Medium and large farmers hire farm laborers to work on their fields. So labor is as important as land, because if we have land but we don't have labor to work, so what can we do? That's why labor is as much important as the land. The capital needed in farming. Most small farmers in village Palampur have to borrow money to arrange for the capital. They borrow from large farmers or the village moneylenders or the traders. Whereas the medium and large farmers have their own savings from farming to invest. So the capital which they are providing or which the farmers are providing are from two sources. One is from the money lenders and one is from their own savings. All this discussion shows that land, labor, capital and human are as important as others. So all this discussion shows that land, labor, capital have importance in the process of production. So before beginning of production, we have to answer all these questions. Now in village Palampur, there are some other non-farm activities which are carried out, like dairy, small scale manufacturing, the shopkeepers and the transportation. Dairy means the villagers are feeding their buffaloes, cows and sell their milk in the village and earning some money. Similarly, small scale manufacturing, less than 50 people are engaged in small manufacturing in Palampur. The shopkeepers, some villagers of Palampur are running shops in the village and selling goods to the villagers. Similarly, transportation, as I earlier mentioned that village Palampur is well connected and well developed village, so transportation is must. So in that village, some villagers are busy or some villagers are carrying out transportation activity. So these are the some characteristics or factor of production and the organized factor of production. Then farming in Palampur, how the farming activity is done in Palampur and other. These are some production or we can say farming and non-farming activities going on in Palampur village. Thank you all. Keep learning.